Hello everyone, and welcome to our vocabulary lesson of 40 words used while doing shopping. Let's get started, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Aisle. Definition: a passage between shelves in a supermarket. Example sentence: I found the cereal in the third aisle on the left. Cart. Definition: a wheeled vehicle used to carry groceries. Example sentence: she pushed a full cart to the checkout. Basket. Definition: a container for carrying smaller items. Example sentence: he picked up a basket instead of a cart. Checkout. Definition: the place where you pay for your groceries. Example sentence: let's go to the checkout. We're done shopping. Cashier. Definition: a person who takes payments at the checkout. Example sentence: the cashier scanned all my items quickly. Receipt. Definition: a printed record of your purchase. Example sentence: don't forget to take your receipt. Barcode. Definition: a machine-readable code on products. Example sentence: the scanner couldn't read the barcode. Price tag. Definition: a label showing the cost of an item. Example sentence: this shirt doesn't have a price tag. Shelf. Definition: a flat surface for storing items. Example sentence: the milk is on the top shelf. Discount. Definition: a reduction in the price. Example sentence: I got a 20% discount on this product. Sale. Definition: a special offer with reduced prices. Example sentence: the store is having a big sale this weekend. BOGO. Definition: buy one, get one free. Example sentence: these chips are on buy one get one free today. Coupon. Definition: a voucher that gives a discount. Example sentence: I used a coupon to save $5. Loyalty card. Definition: a card that earns points or rewards for shopping. Example sentence: she always uses her loyalty card to get discounts. Produce. Definition: fresh fruits and vegetables. Example sentence: I always buy fresh produce on Mondays. Bakery. Definition: the section that sells bread and baked goods. Example sentence. The bakery has fresh croissants every morning. Deli. Definition. The section that sells meats and cheeses. Example sentence. I ordered sliced ham from the deli counter. Frozen foods. Definition. Items stored in freezers. Example sentence. Frozen foods are in the back of the store. Dairy. Definition. Milk, cheese, and yogurt products. Example sentence. The dairy section is to the right. Beverages. Definition. Drinks including water, juice, and soda. Example sentence. The beverage aisle has so many options. Packaged goods. Definition. Items sold in boxes, bags, or cans. Example sentence. Most cereals are considered packaged goods. Bulk. Definition. Items sold in large quantities or by weight. Example sentence. You can buy rice in bulk to save money. Sample. Definition. A small amount of food offered for tasting. Example sentence. They were giving out cheese samples today. Shelf life. Definition. The length of time a product remains usable. Example sentence. This milk has a long shelf life. Expiry date. Definition. The date after which a product should not be used. Example sentence. Always check the expiry date on eggs. Restock. Definition. To refill the shelves with new items. Example sentence. The staff restocks the shelves every morning. Aisle number. Definition. The number identifying each supermarket aisle. Example sentence. The pasta is in aisle number 7. Organic. Definition. Grown or made without synthetic chemicals. Example sentence. I prefer to buy organic vegetables. Brand. Definition. The name of a product's manufacturer. Example sentence. This brand of cereal is very popular. Label. Definition. The written information on a product. Example sentence. Read the label to see the ingredients. Weight. Definition. How heavy something is. Often shown in grams or pounds. Example sentence. This bag of flour's weight is 2 kilograms. Price per unit. Definition. The cost for each standard unit of a product. Example sentence. Compare the price per unit to get the best deal. Reusable bag. Definition. A bag you can use again instead of disposable ones. Example sentence. I brought my reusable bags with me. Shopping list. Definition. A written list of things to buy. Example sentence. I forgot my shopping list at home. Store manager. Definition. The person in charge of the store. Example sentence. I spoke to the store manager about a missing item. Inventory. Definition. All the goods available in the store. Example sentence. They are doing inventory this week. Clearance. Definition. Items sold at a very low price to make space. Example sentence. I found a toaster on clearance for half price. Express lane. Definition. A checkout line for customers with few items. Example sentence. I used the express lane since I only had 5 items. Barcode scanner. Definition. A device used to read barcodes. Example sentence. The cashier used the barcode scanner for each item. Refund. Definition. Money returned for a returned product. Example sentence. I asked for a refund because the item was damaged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.